Hey everyone, today we're at the Plonk bottle shop. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. So let's check it out. Here we go. So we have Buffalo Trident series of evaporators. See two of them, both having 3 sets of fans, as you can see. Right there, Buffalo Trident. Of course, we have the coil right there, as you can see. So there are 3 fans on both evaporators, which makes about 6, like I said before. And these were installed by Belconnen refrigeration, which made the walk-in refrigerator. Well, it's called Belconnen commercial refrigeration. There's the coil back there, as you can see. It's pretty medium size, not gonna lie. So yeah, that's about it really. And I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.